So my partner Luke, he joined up about 3 months ago, and I haven't really done anything to do with the training so far, but I had this weekend here, and it's certainly opened my eyes as to what's possible with the training. It's been fantastic. It's been an eye-opener. Learned an absolute ton of information, and I'm really excited to put it into practice. I think how surprisingly easy it looks to get going on it, and sort of all the tools that are there to help you, and the support group as well that's behind it, to help network with people that are in a similar boat to keep the momentum going. I would say definitely do it. It's another income stream and an opportunity to get out there, put your brand out there, live your why, and sort of have the life that you want rather than working for someone else.